Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Audacity step by step. Audacity has a built-in noise reduction tool that helps make your recording sound clearer by removing unwanted background noise. So, let's get started. First, open Audacity on your computer. Next, import the audio file you want to edit. Click and drag to select a short section that contains only the background noise. Then, click the Effect menu. Select Noise Reduction. Next, click Get Noise Profile. Now, press Ctrl-A to select the entire audio track. Click the Effect menu again. Then, select Noise Reduction. Adjust the noise reduction, sensitivity, and frequency smoothing settings if needed. Next, click Preview to hear the result. If you're satisfied with the audio, click OK. Audacity will now remove the background noise from your recording. Once you're finished, click the File menu. Select Export. Choose your preferred audio format, such as MP3 or WAV, then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully removed background noise in Audacity. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Audacity tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.